NIU, a leading player in the electric scooter industry, has recently made waves with the release of two innovative lightweight electric scooters featuring carbon fiber frames. These new additions to their lineup, the NIU KQi Air and KQi Air X, represent a departure from the traditional moped-style appearance that NIU has been known for, opting instead for a more streamlined and modern standing scooter appearance. These two models are packed with exciting features and specifications that make them a compelling choice for urban commuters and eco-conscious riders alike. Starting with the performance aspects, the NIU KQi Air X boasts an impressive top speed of 32 km per hour, although it's worth noting that this speed may be subject to restrictions in certain jurisdictions. The KQi Air, slightly heavier than its counterpart at approximately 11.7 kilograms, offers a similar exhilarating experience. Both models come equipped with a robust 350 watts electric motor, capable of achieving a peak output of 700 watts. This powerful motor allows these scooters to conquer inclines of up to 20%, making them versatile for a range of urban terrains. One of the standout features of the NIU KQi Air and KQi Air X is their impressive range. The Air X, in particular, can cover a maximum distance of 50 kilometers on a single charge, thanks to its 451 watt-hours LG battery. This extended range provides riders with the confidence to tackle longer commutes without worrying about running out of battery. Furthermore, both scooters offer a relatively quick charging time of 5 hours, ensuring minimal downtime and high levels of versatility. Safety is a top priority for NIU, and both models come equipped with essential safety features. Front disc brakes and rear regenerative braking provide responsive and reliable stopping power, while a half-twist throttle ensures precise control over acceleration. LED lighting, including the distinctive NIU Halo headlight, ensures visibility during nighttime rides, enhancing safety for riders and pedestrians alike. Turn signals conveniently located on the handlebars contribute to overall road safety, making sure riders can signal their intentions to other road users. To further enhance the user experience and convenience, NIU has introduced a dedicated app to support the KQi Air and KQi Air X. This app offers a range of useful features, including NFC smart unlocking, Bluetooth connectivity, real-time access to ride data, and over-the-air updates. With this app, riders can seamlessly unlock their scooters, connect to their devices, and stay up to date with the latest software enhancements. It's a valuable addition that reflects NIU's commitment to technological innovation and user-centric appearance. On the other hand, the KQi Air offers a blend of materials, featuring a frame composed of carbon and magnesium or aluminum. This combination strikes a balance between strength and weight, ensuring the scooter remains robust while being slightly more affordable than its sibling. The KQi Air model provides riders with the option to choose between a classic red or white on black colorway, allowing for a more personalized aesthetic expression. Now, let's talk about pricing and availability. The NIU KQi Air comes with a price tag of $1,399, offering a compelling choice for riders seeking an affordable yet feature-packed electric scooter. Meanwhile, the KQi Air X, with its premium materials and enhanced performance, is priced at $1,799. These competitive price points make the NIU KQi series an attractive proposition for individuals looking to invest in eco-friendly and efficient urban mobility solutions. In summary, the release of the NIU KQi Air and KQi Air X electric scooters with carbon fiber frames marks a significant evolution in the company's product offerings. These standing scooters provide an exciting blend of style, performance, and safety features, making them well-suited for urban commuting and short trips. With their impressive range and smart app integration, NIU has demonstrated its dedication to meeting the evolving needs of electric scooter enthusiasts, offering an enticing and environmentally friendly mode of transportation for the modern city dweller. What do you think about the new scooters? I would be interested to know your opinion. Have a nice day and see you soon.